Abbie here. I am a student at the University of Hawaii, West Oahu, and loving every minute of it. And on behalf of the Nāulu Center, I am here to share a little bit of love with everyone out there, and especially to my fellow UH West Oahu students. If you are looking for a different way to relieve stress in your life, I got you. Ever thought of playing with flowers to relieve stress? You know, flowers have a way of bringing a sense of happiness and well-being into someone's life, both the giver and the recipients. Even more better, while we're having fun playing with flowers, I can show you how to make this elegant arrangement for yourself. Save a heap of money doing it, especially on Valentine's Day. And if you have someone special to give it to, when you tell them you made it yourself, it becomes priceless, right? And bonus, I'll show you how to make it in just 5 minutes. What did you say? Prove it? You're on. go. Done. So, let me just go over the little basics here. First of all, flowers can be expensive even in Hawaii. So, my go-to place for good flowers at a good price is Sam's Club. Tell them Aunty Abbie sent you. I'm going to use red roses, appropriate for Valentine's Day, which comes out to about $1 a stem if you shop right. You'll need a dozen. You'll also need a bunch of leather leaf, maybe 2, enough for at least 15 stems. And of course, a nice vase, which you can pick up, like this one, for about $3, maybe 4. Preferably one with a bottleneck like this. Some floral life in the water to keep the flowers fresh longer is a good thing. A little packet like this usually comes with the flowers, but maybe it'll cost $1 if it doesn't. And by all means, if you got a lot of errands, I suggest picking up the flowers on the last stop of your day, cause hot sun in the car, not good, you know. The final tip is to use a sharp tool, preferably a cutting shears or sharp scissors. You don't want to be hacking at the flowers. Now for the fundamentals. This technique that I will show you requires no oasis. Yep, no flower foam oasis. We're going to go smarter, not harder, cheaper, not more expensive. Instead, we will first use the leaves to build a strong foundation, like architecture of a building. We'll use the leaves to build a simple grid for the foundation. Once the grid is solid, you can simply place the flowers into the grid and the fluff. I'll show you. No worries, it's a video, so rewind anytime you need. Now, just like math, if you can remember a formula, you can get it right all the time. I'm using 15 normal sized leather leaf. I'll split the count into 4 sets, 1 set for each level of the grid. Stay with me. So we will build a lower deck, upper deck, a penthouse, and the top. We're going to call that the kiss. I'll show you. 6 for the lower deck, 4 for the upper deck, 3 for the penthouse, and 2 for the kiss. 6, 4, 3, 2. That is for the grid. Got it? We're working from the lower floor to the top. For the roses, with 12, we'll place 12 in our grid. We'll use 6 in the lower deck, 5 in the upper deck, and 1 in the penthouse, dead center. Flower formula, 651. For the deck or the grid, greens formula, what was it? 6, 4, 3, 2. 4 floors. Got it? Okay. Let's do it. With a little Valentine's balloon and Aoya all pow. As you can see, you don't need to be a pro, and if you can do this, you're very hireable on Valentine's or Mother's Day season. All you need is a formula and some love to create priceless moments. Here's to not just living life, but to living your best life. Try to take a moment every day to stop and smell the roses. I am Aunty Abbie, and sending you a whole lot of love and joy. Now, shoo! Go be happy.